Where does the production of innovative products at DTB Sovelmash begin? What innovative developments is the company preparing to release in 2025? These products are unique not only for Russia but also for the world. Motyliok, the first quadcopter in the world with asynchronous motors. It is a super heavy class drone capable of transporting loads weighing several hundred kilograms. It was first presented to the general public in 2024 at the International Military Technical Forum Army, where it captivated guests, experts, and journalists. Motyliok ranked top 10 innovations forum according to media. Since then, the quadcopter has been significantly improved. The weight of the structure has been reduced. An electric motor with Slavyanka combined windings, a custom-developed controller, and a battery are installed under each propeller. A solution has been developed to ensure the drone's safety. It became possible to create a lightweight frame structure, a ski landing base, a shock-absorbing system, and more. The design allows for several drones to be combined into one, capable of lifting an entire ton of cargo. The Motyliok drone can be used in various fields. The new quadcopter market is absolutely untapped, and the demand for drones capable of carrying heavy loads is enormous. In particular, the need for quadcopters is very high in the agricultural sector. For example, requests for the Motyliok have come from grape producers in mountainous areas. The drone is a cost-effective and much more efficient replacement for tractors and helicopters. DTB Sovelmash will be able to provide customers with an aviation engine, propeller, and controller of its own design and production. The angle grinder is another advanced development by Sovelmash. The drive does not use magnets, and there is no brush assembly. Indeed, no one in the world has yet created a corded angle grinder with a built-in asynchronous drive that operates on regular electrical steel at frequencies of 600 Hz. 3 models of the angle grinder with a disc diameter of 230 mm, 2100, 2300, and 2500 watts have been certified. This gives the company the right to manufacture and sell the product within the Eurasian Economic Union. The angle grinder from Sovelmash operates quieter and smoother than its counterparts. It offers better speed and cutting quality. It weighs less, operates more reliably, consumes less energy, and maintains stable RPMs that do not drop under increased load. The angle grinder will be the first product to be launched into mass production. Almost everything is ready for this. There are machines, equipment, and production technologies for parts are being refined industrially. The company Sovelmash has developed controllers for drives and is preparing to manufacture them on its own equipment. Printed circuit boards are already being produced on the surface mount line, software has been created, and the production of individual controller components has been established. As soon as the company receives permission to operate the building, it will be able to commence the production of its products in the near future. And this is expected in 2025. Right now, you can become an investor and co-owner of an innovative enterprise under the conditions of business creation, so that in the future you can receive dividends from Sovelmash's profits. When the company indeed starts earning, becomes self-sustaining, and no longer needs investments, the opportunity to join the project on favorable terms will close.